What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Basically today I'm for once not working on the Lexus or BM or that heap. I'm actually working on A3. It's my fiance's A3 AP. Like basically she's just got it. She wants to lower it, so picked up a set of coilovers for it yesterday. So should be pretty straightforward firing these in. I'm going to start off with the backs. Shouldn't take too long. They do have an independent rear suspension, so it's relatively handy to do it. So yeah, let's get stuck in, get it up in the air, and get started on the back. So the rear suspension, these is actually really straightforward. So all we have to do is, well, we actually might not even need to drop the rear anti-roll bar off it, but we definitely need to drop the bolt out of the shock and then take maybe two bolts at each side of the top mount, drop them out as well, and then there is one bolt here that holds the hub on. So first thing I'm going to do is pop out these two bolts, see if we can get the spring out without taking out the rear anti-roll bar, and then take out the two top ones and we'll be able to get the shock out. Yeah, so taking off the bolts for the hub and the bolts for the strut just didn't give you enough just to get the spring down. So gonna have to drop off this bolt here. Probably be easier getting up to that one. Just to take off this drop link. Now that's popped out. Only thing left to do is just up at the top of these top mounts. One not there, or both, and another one in behind, and that'll pull the shock out, and then just ready to build up a new one. This is a coilover kit we went for, which is Pro Sports. I think it's their street edition ones. So basically I've run these on quite a few cars in the past, and I've literally never had any issues with them. I've ran them for a long time. It's just not intended going like stupid low, like doesn't need like BC ultra lows or anything like that there, or H&R, sorry. You know, things like that. Like these coilovers are perfectly fine. Like I would stay away from the likes of FKs, things like that. But for like lower in the range coilover, like they really are like probably one of the best. Like I've never had any issues with them. You know, that becomes everything we need. So start off, grab one of the rears. So we've got our spring, our shock, and then our adjuster. So I usually don't put these in, but we'll put it in like pretty low and see what way it sits. But yeah, I need to take the top mount off of the other strut and then our other shock, and then put it on this one, and then we can build it all back up again this side. I probably won't video the other side because it's just the exact same thing, and it'll probably be a bit repetitive. To get the top mount off the rear ones, you need to get a deep spanner with a bendy neck to go in here to get the nut, and then I put a bit of vice grips on the top here, and then you're able to get the nut off, otherwise it's just going to spin. So take this off and we'll pop it on the new one. I don't know if it came with a nut or not, I think it did. Yep. So the new one's slightly different. This time there's an Allen key in the head, so we can use the deep spanner and Allen key. Tighten this up, put the shock back in, spring in, adjuster, and we're good to go. So that's this side, like all completely back up, built up. Adjuster actually goes on the top of these here, which I came to find out. Doesn't actually fit on the bottom, cup fits on the top, which is pretty new. Got all the guards and all back on, top's tightened up, and bump stop and all there. So I'm just going to do the other side. I'll probably just put it on a time lapse, record the whole thing, because no point in me just recording the same thing over again. two rears built back up. Going to take into the front now. I'm probably going to strip the two fronts first because I need to go and get a set of spring clamps to take the top mounts off the two front struts. So I'm best getting both out first before I have to go and get them. The front on these A3s is like relatively straightforward. So you need to undo this pinch bolt at the back of the hub, which holds the strut in. Undo one of the drop link mounts, and then we've got 3 bolts at the top which you need to open the bonnet to take the strut out. Usually you have to take the drive shaft out, and we do have a bar there that goes onto the bottom arm, which hopefully will give us enough leverage to pull it down without having to drop the hub forward, but I guess time will tell. So I'm going to soak these here, well this bolt anyway, in WD-40. Try to get this drop link off. Once you've got the drop link off and pinch bolt out, I use this bar which goes in under the arm, which is, it's sitting just in there at the minute, but all it's left to take out is these 3 top mount bolts. So take these 3 out, I'll raise it back up, put the bar on it, and then the strut will just pop out. Just get everything out just using this bar. It essentially goes in underneath the arm, press it down. So got both sides out, and Peter's just dropped me off spring clamps, so just fired it into the vise here, the original strut. Go and tighten this down. Hopefully I don't die because I hate spring clamps, but see how we go, just so I can get these top mounts off to put on the new struts. So yeah, I didn't have a deep spanner that would go down in to get the nut out of the top mount, to be able to then put the Allen key into the top. So what I actually ended up doing, I sacrificed one of my sockets and put 2 flat edges on it. Managed to get a 26 on it, which means that I could still get the Allen key through the middle and get the top mount off. So I'm going to pop the top mount on the, doesn't really matter, one of these 2 now, and then we'll get one of them fitted back in. One strut built up, so going to drop it down again here, get the 3 top mount bolts in, and then hopefully we'll be able to push the hub up in, back in again, and button it all back up. Shouldn't take too long. Basically, unfortunately, my phone died like halfway through doing that, but it's pretty straightforward. I said I already had the front out, put the new top mount and all in, and then it's basically just doing everything in reverse. Put the pinch bolt back in, put the drop link back in, and simple as that. So all I've left to do now is put the wheels on, drop it down, and see how it goes, see what it looks like. Might need to go up, might need to go down, not really sure yet, we'll find out. So pretty happy with the rear, even though it's like basically the whole way down. It will settle, probably go down a little bit. Front, we still got a bit of an arch gap. I did leave about 1 inch on the coilover on both fronts, so I'm just going to jack that up quickly and spin these down just to put it down basically as low it will go. So dropping it like that other inch made a wee bit of a difference. I would say it'd make more of a difference like once, as I said, when the car gets drove here, spring settle a bit. But yeah, looks good. Sure, she'll be happy with it anyway. See after it settles, after about a few days, give it a week. Doesn't really drive that much, so it's probably take a week or so to settle. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this. I know it's different than the normal videos like of my cars, but something different for a change, thought I'd video it. Yeah, so thanks very much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, it really does help. I'm trying to push out a few more videos this year, and leave a comment down below, always try to reply to them, and drop a like. Thanks.